Okay, hello peeps. We're back with unboxing part 2. I may not be able to finish all of this video, but I hope to. So, this is, I'm not gonna, okay, fine, I'll show you. Actually no, I'm gonna set you up so that, this is me, hello there. Set you up so that see this. Let's just close this a bit. There we go, and then okay, right. Lighting may not be too good, but there we go, that's alright. Okay, so time to rip the box. Okay, right, so you get a big card, the big card but smaller, the energy that goes with it, and 4 normal cards. So yeah, let's see what this gives us. Okay, right, so this is the big card. We've got Rapid Strike Urshifu V, 220 HP. Doesn't do much damage, but who cares? We've got the vacuum noise is intensified. The same card, but just smaller. And then you've got the energy that goes with. Okay, time for the exciting bit. So you've got 4 packs, all different kinds of packs. No. These are all of the different packs that you get. So this one is Battle Styles. This one is Rebel Clash, and this one is Darkness Ablaze. Okay, right, let's open the Darkness Ablaze one first. Okay, first off, we've literally got a card that I already have. Okay, not bad, not bad, not bad, not... Oh, we just got a thing in the same pack. Oh, that's 2. That's insane, and we haven't even opened all of the pack yet. Well, we have opened all the pack, but oh no, we haven't. No, we've got an energy, 110 HP, 100 HP, and an old PC. An old PC. Okay, well that's got my hopes up a lot. Okay, so at the moment these are the 2 good cards that we have. Yeah, pretty nice, pretty juicy. Okay, I'll review these if I have enough time. I'll just pop these. You've got an energy card, blah blah blah. Yeah, not that exciting. Next one is gonna be the Rebel Clash. Again, I think. I'm pretty sure that we did that twice. No, that was a Darkness Ablaze, wasn't it? And then you've just got like the 3 cards that you've used for the online thing. Okay, first off we see... Okay, so first off we've got Helioptile, Voltorb, Sandygast, Vulpix, all pretty bad cards. What does this say? Coffin. Oh, it's a decent card. Phil Heal, Barbaracle, best card so far, Leaf, Horror Energy, Palpitoad, and just the trash free card that you get. Okay, next we're going to do Battle Styles. Imagine if we get another card. Okay, first off I'm seeing Murkrow, 70 HP, Salandit, 70 HP. All pretty bad cards. Oh, we got a Rapid Strike. Bellsprout, 50 HP. Mienfoo, Rapid Strike, 60 HP. Yamper, 60 HP. Okay. Next we've got a Single Strike Trainer. We haven't got any Single Strike players, so yeah. Yeah, this is it. That's cool. 130 HP, I think probably best card in the pack yet. Energy, just like a Leaf Energy, pretty common. Heatmore, 120 HP, pretty decent I'd say. This card, what's it called? I'm gonna read backwards. Pharaoh, something like that. Escape Rope, crap. Yeah, okay. Next one, the last one, another Battle Styles pack. Even if we don't get a good card, any good cards in this, I really don't care because, like, you know, we've already got an extra card which is pretty insane out of that. So, final card. Wish luck. Wish luck. Okay, we're gonna do. Okay, this is the first one. I'm going to close my eyes. Okay, that's that. Second one. Third one. Fourth one. Fifth one. Sixth one. Seventh. Eighth. 9th, 10th, 11th. No way! Also, football. Nice football. Sorry. Tapu Koko, a Rapid Strike Energy, 110 HP, 140 HP, a Rapid Strike one that's pretty bad. That's insane. That's three cards. Tapu Koko, Rapid Strike Urshifu, which comes in the pack as like a guaranteed card, and Houndoom V. So that's pretty insane gaming right there. Let's just have a quick look at these. Okay. Yeah, I'd say this is boring. You shouldn't be watching all of this, but like, yeah. So these pretty much everything I'd say. This just about wraps up this video for today. Like and subscribe for more insane pack openings like this. Yeah, so see you guys next time in the next video. Peace.